Hey Aptera fans! Today we're diving into something truly revolutionary. A car that might just eliminate the need for charging forever. Imagine owning a vehicle that powers itself using the sun. No more trips to the gas station. No more waiting at an EV charging station. Just park your car outside and it fuels itself for free. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's exactly what Aptera is bringing to the table. Aptera's solar mobility vehicle is unlike anything the automotive industry has ever seen. With its ultra-efficient design, futuristic aesthetics, and innovative technology, it promises to be one of the most sustainable and cost-effective forms of transportation ever created. Chris McCannon, a well-known voice in the Aptera community, recently gave an in-depth look at this vehicle, exploring its interior, safety features, and unique innovations.
In the back, there's also your subwoofer, your light for the trunk, and also a accessory outlet so you can, plug in different accessories into the back while you're camping and things like that. And it has all the creature comforts you'd expect from a traditional car. So we have, air conditioning, heating, great infotainment system, great sound system. And it also has the safety of a, traditional vehicle as well. So we have airbags, really good crash safety, a roll cage, everything like that to keep the occupants safe as well. So this is my view from the driver's seat in the Aptera. So you see we have a Yoke here, which is really great. I have my horn on the right, as well as my volume up and down or cruise control buttons on the left. Behind your Yoke is your turn signal lever. Now this lets you go, left or right on the turn signal. It also is how you can control your high beams really easily, and it also controls the wiper blades as well. So all kind of those physical controls are all available on this one.
So today, we'll break it all down and see why Aptera could completely change the way we think about cars. Buckle up, because this ride is about to get exciting. At first glance, the Aptera doesn't even look like a car. Instead of the traditional four-wheel design, it has a sleek, aerodynamic shape with 3 wheels. But don't be fooled. This design is not just for looks. Aptera's shape is inspired by aerospace engineering, meaning it slices through the air with minimal resistance. Because of this hyper-efficiency, Aptera uses up to 4 times less energy than a regular electric car. This allows it to travel up to 1,000 miles on a single charge, something no other EV can currently achieve. But what truly sets Aptera apart? Its solar panels. The power of the sun. A solar-powered revolution. The entire surface of Aptera is covered in high-efficiency solar cells. These aren't just for show. They actually generate enough electricity to provide up to 40 miles of driving per day. Think about that. The average American drives 29 miles per day. That means for many people, the Aptera can cover all of their daily driving needs using nothing but sunlight. What does this mean for the owner? No charging required for daily driving, reduced electricity costs, lower carbon footprint, ultimate convenience. Just park outside and let it charge itself. For longer trips, Aptera can still be plugged in and charged like a traditional EV, with battery options that allow for up to 1,000 miles per charge. That's more range than most gas-powered cars. Now, let's get inside the Aptera. Minimalist, yet high-tech. The futuristic experience doesn't stop at the exterior. The interior of the Aptera is designed to be functional, comfortable, and tech-forward. 1. The Yoke steering system. Instead of a traditional round steering wheel, the Aptera comes with a Yoke-style control system. If you've ever seen the Tesla Model S Plaid, you'll recognize this design. Despite its futuristic design, Aptera doesn't sacrifice comfort. It's just as cozy as any modern electric vehicle. Camping in an Aptera. A mini off-grid home. For those who love road trips and outdoor adventures, Aptera offers an exciting bonus. It doubles as a mini camper. With the rear seats folded down, the vehicle provides nearly 7 feet of space, enough room for 2 adults to sleep comfortably. Aptera even sells a camping kit, which includes a zip-up enclosure to seal the back when the hatch is open, an accessory outlet for powering small devices, plenty of storage space for gear and supplies. With its self-charging capabilities and off-grid potential, Aptera might just be the perfect adventure vehicle. Aptera's immersive audio system. A futuristic car needs a futuristic sound system, and Aptera delivers. The vehicle features an enhanced 5-channel audio package, including 2 tweeters for crisp, high-pitched sound, 2 mid-range speakers for balanced, clear audio, a powerful subwoofer in the back for deep bass. At launch, Aptera will support Bluetooth audio, with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto expected in future updates. Whether you're commuting to work or camping under the stars, Aptera ensures an immersive audio experience. Aptera's commitment to safety. Because Aptera is lightweight and efficient, some people have wondered how safe it actually is. The good news? Safety is a top priority in its design. First, reinforced roll cage. Inspired by race car safety standards, Aptera's roll cage structure ensures maximum protection in the event of a rollover. Second, advanced airbag system. Equipped with dual front airbags to protect the driver and passenger in a collision. 3. Anti-lock braking system, ABS. Reduces skidding and improves control in emergency braking situations. Fourth, parking assistance and external cameras. 4 external cameras provide enhanced visibility. Parking assistance technology helps with maneuvering into tight spaces. 5th, federal crash testing. Aptera is undergoing extensive crash testing to ensure it meets federal safety standards. Even though Aptera looks unconventional, it is safer than most 2-seater vehicles on the road today. Why Aptera is the future of transportation? Still wondering if Aptera is worth the hype? Let's break it down. Firstly, no charging needed. Get up to 40 miles of free solar range per day. 2. Insane efficiency, up to 1,000 miles on a single charge. 3. Eco-friendly, uses clean, renewable solar power. 4. Affordable, expected price range of $25,000 to $40,000. Lastly, perfect for road trips, spacious, comfortable, and great for camping. With all these benefits, Aptera isn't just a new electric car. It's a new way of thinking about transportation. Aptera is close to mass production, and when it finally hits the market, it could completely disrupt the auto industry. What do you think? Could Aptera be the car of the future? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on Aptera's journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.